Are you depriving yourself of enjoyment while trying to save for the future? Or maybe you're on the other side and sacrificing your financial security by living extravagantly now. In today's video, we will explore the crucial financial mistake of saving too much or too little, and I'll give you 5 practical tips to help you achieve a healthy balance. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of 3 Minute Money. I'm Pat Zumbush, your YouTube CFP professional. As a society, we intuitively know that financial success requires a delicate balance between saving and spending. The challenge lies in finding the right balance, as saving too little or too much can seriously impact your financial future. Think of it like a seesaw. If you save too much, you'll tip over into Scrooge territory. But if you save too little, you'll be as broke as Ebenezer's Christmas cheer. Let's start with the potential consequences of saving too little. Saving too little is a common financial mistake that can have long-term consequences. If you don't save enough, you risk not having enough money to cover unexpected expenses or emergencies or to achieve your long-term financial goals such as retirement. If you need to save more, the first step is to assess your spending habits and see where you can cut back. This could mean reducing your discretionary spending, such as eating out, shopping, or entertainment, or finding ways to reduce your monthly bills, such as cutting back on your streaming subscriptions like Netflix. Once you have a better handle on your expenses, it's crucial to start setting aside a portion of your monthly income for saving. Now, let's talk about the other side of the coin, saving too much. Well, saving too little can be a financial mistake, so can saving too much. If you focus all your energy on saving and neglect your quality of life, you risk sacrificing your current happiness for the promise of a future financial reward. Hoarding is not healthy. Additionally, if you become too focused on saving and neglect to spend necessary expenses such as healthcare or education, you may end up paying more in the long run. To avoid saving too much, it's important to set realistic savings goals considering your current expenses and future needs. This will help you strike a balance between saving and spending. Additionally, it's important to allocate your savings in a way that will allow you to reach your future financial goals, such as investing in a retirement account or using your savings to purchase a home. Finding the right balance between saving and spending can be challenging, but it is essential to your financial success. Here are 5 tips to help you achieve this balance. Number 1, create a budget. Creating a budget is a fundamental step in taking control of your finances. By keeping track of your income and expenses, you can better understand your financial situation and make informed choices about your spending and your savings. Number 2, set financial goals. Clear financial goals can provide direction and motivation in your financial journey. Whether saving for a down payment on a house, building an emergency fund, or preparing to achieve an important goal like not having to work forever, defining your goals will help you focus your efforts and determine how much you need to save. Number 3, make regular contributions to your savings. Making regular contributions to your savings account, even if small, can help you build your nest egg over time and make your financial goals more attainable. Automating your savings can help you stay on track and ensure that you consistently put aside a portion of your income for your future. Number 4, spend wisely. Making wise spending decisions can help you make the most of your hard-earned money. When you do spend, focus on spending money on things that are aligned with your values and priorities, and make sure that you're getting the most bang for your buck. Avoid impulse purchases and unnecessary expenses, and that frees up money for your savings and your financial goals. Number 5, avoid debt. Reducing your debt burden can help you increase your available funds for saving and spending. Making paying off debt a priority and avoiding new debt whenever possible will help you stay on track with your financial goals and keep your finances in order. Additionally, by reducing your debt, you can lower your monthly expenses and free up more money for your savings and financial needs. Ultimately, a comprehensive financial plan can help you avoid these mistakes and find the right balance on the path to financial success. Thanks for checking out this video, and I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know how you strike a balance between saving and spending in your own life. Until next time, I'm Pat Zumbush, your YouTube CFP. As always, thank you for letting me help you do wise things with your money.